How to create your avatar on Instagram. Go to Instagram. Click on three lines on top right corner. Click on Settings. Click on Account. Now click on Avatar. Choose skin tone of your avatar. Click on Next. Now choose your hairstyle which suits your avatar or your personality. You have many options both for males and females. Now after choosing the hairstyle, choose the hair color which you like. After choosing hair color, choose outfit which best styles your body and looks. You can also choose eye color. Can do eye makeup. Change eyebrows. After all this setup, click on Done and save the changes. Go to stickers and now share funny attractive sticker of your avatar with your friends. Choose the sticker, choose the friend, then send.